how to turn on someone accepts my friend request notifications on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on if someone accepts your friend request notification on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here and go down, click settings and then notification, and just go down and here you will find someone accepts my friend request. Click on it and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.